In the dark depths of Mount Closet lies a beast that has forced its roar upon my people for far too long. We are few, yet mighty, and we shall take our final stand. History will not forget us. They will remember this day when one pug stood defiant against the vacuum. General Kevin Bacon, you know as well as I, the beast will not rest. It will thunder across our land, shaking walls with its roar. If we face it in the living room, we are doomed. Don't you see, Sir Bacon? These narrow walls are our fortress. Here, the vacuum cannot circle us. Here, destiny favors the few and the bold. And tomorrow, we bring the star! Brenda, my love, my heartbeat angel, tomorrow I march into the jaws of destiny. The beast waits in the shadows, and I cannot promise I will return. But fear not, sweet Brenda. Should I fail, should I fall, know this: I always loved you more than the sticks I find at the dog park. Soldiers of Squeak, today we do not bark for traits. We do not bark for belly rubs. We bark for glory, for freedom.
It's literally just a vacuum, Carl.
Oh, the beast! It approaches. It rolls on wheels. It screams like thunder. This is Pugtan. Sir Bacon, Lady Brenda, hold the line. Do not falter. If we fall today, we fall into the vacuum's control, never to speak again.
Just a quick tip, classic fear barking, totally normal. Don't punish it, just reward calm moments.
Yes! Reward me with cookies! Retreat! Retreat! But not because I am scared. No, this is strategic repositioning. We must outwit the beast with snacks. Lots of snacks from my mom.
See? Treats when the vacuum's off, treats when it's on, and that's how we're gonna build some positive association.
Yes, my strategy all along. Fear it not, soldiers. For cookies are mightier than the suck. Beast of suck, I once saw you as an enemy, a devourer of dust, a screamer of screams. But today, I see you for what you are. A misunderstood, dirt-eating ally. Pugtans, lay down your weapons. The war is over.
Honestly, with a bit of patience, lots of repetition, and of course, yummy treats, even the scariest vacuum can just become part of the background.
Yes. But remember this day, my friends, for it shall echo through eternity as the battle of the hallway, where one mighty pug took down a mighty beast.